How to unfollow everyone on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can unfollow everyone on Instagram. For that, you will have to open your Instagram application. Make sure you are logged into it. Once in the home page, click on that profile icon at the bottom of the screen. You will reach to your profile page. Here you can see the following. By clicking on following, you will enter the following list. These are the people that you have followed. Now to unfollow them, click on the following button and the person will be unfollowed. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't provide the feature of unfollowing everyone all at once. You'll have to unfollow them manually like this. This may be time consuming, but it ensures that you have full control over your following list. Continue this process until you have unfollowed everyone on your list. Now, come back to your profile page. You will see you have unfollowed everyone on Instagram. As you can see, there is 0 unfollowing list. That means you have unfollowed everyone on Instagram. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.